See how to use Health Resource Directory during consultations with your patients to help them understand their recent diagnoses.
Would you like more information about your COPD diagnoses to take home? I can print you a fact sheet which will answer some questions you may have and provide you with advice and local supports available for your condition.
That would be great.
I'll just log into my health pathways. This won't take long. Just printing your fact sheet now. Here you go. Take this home to read. You'll get an understanding of what to expect, what you can do yourself, and what local support services are available.
Thanks, Doc. My husband's more comfortable reading Arabic. Is there any chance this fact sheet's available in other languages?
Absolutely. Here is a referral for healthresourcedirectory.org.au, where fact sheets are available in English, Arabic, Chinese, and Vietnamese. You can also listen to audio transcripts of the fact sheet in these languages.
Why, thanks, Doc. This is so helpful.
Health Resource Directory is your patient-friendly companion to Health Pathways.